Hi everyone, it's Harriet Bulkeley here. I'm a professor at the Department of Geography here at Durham University. I'm looking forward to joining the Knowledge is Great lecture series next week from the British Council. Just popped out of the Home Office to tell you a little bit about what I'm going to be speaking about. So the topic of my lecture is going to be on nature-based solutions, and there's a lot of buzz about nature-based solutions at the moment. A lot of people think that nature-based solutions are going to be essential if we're going to reach targets for climate change that allow us to come to sort of net zero goals, both at a national level for companies, for cities and so on. But others are quite concerned about the fact that using nature-based solutions to meet these kind of targets for climate change and also other sustainability goals might let big companies off the hook, that addressing climate change through natural solutions might lead to the destruction of nature for other purposes. Perhaps goals for biodiversity might be overlooked. So in this lecture I'm going to be thinking about, well, if nature-based solutions are the answer for addressing sustainability, what kinds of problems can they actually solve? We're going to be looking at the case of cities, drawing on research from the Naturevation project that I've been working on, and we're going to be thinking about whose solution are nature-based solutions, who benefits from them, how can nature-based solutions be more mainstreamed, and what can we do to ensure that they don't exacerbate urban inequalities and contribute to forms of injustice in the urban arena. So I hope you can tune in, and looking forward to next week.